Number 1, our first thing, let's play bingo. Cover, cross out the final spelling in the word black. Black. Final spelling in the word black.
We can just look off.
Cover the sight word who. Who. Cover the final spelling in the word rumble. Final spelling in the word rumble. Cover the final spelling in the word bluff. 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 Cover the sight word come. Come. Cover the final spelling in the word shook. Shook. Final spelling in the word shook.
Oh, now I know.
Cover the initial spelling in the word clap. Clap. The initial spelling in the word clap. Cover the final spelling in the word smell. Smell. Like with your
Bingo,
nose.
bingo, bingo.
Alright, I think this is the first time all of us got bingos.
Me too. I finally got it.
Okay. Going from the first one. We have the final spelling in black, which is
CK. Oopsies.
that's funny.
That's easy.
The final spelling in the word rumble,
BLE.
sight word who,
Right there.
final spelling in bluff,
Is
F, sight word come,
is come.
final spelling in shook,
Is
okay,
K.
final or initial spelling in quack,
Is C.
and final spelling in smell. All right, turn your sheets over.
That almost makes a U.
Spell the word click. Click. I will click on that button. Click.
Click.
Click. Number 2, mark. Mark.
Oh man.
It's like I will mark on my paper. Number 3, will. Will. We will go to the store.
Yay!
Number 4, sight word. Does. Does. Number 5, goes. And number 6 is Ben. 5 is ghost. Ben. Like I have been to the store today.
Have you?
I have already been to the store. 5 is ghost. Alright, sound out the words for me. Number 1. Well, is C. Okay. Final short vowel end in CK. Gotta say short vowel sound. It. Number 2.
March.
K after a consonant. R is a consonant. Just a K.
Oh, I heard 2 girls helping on that one. That girl over there was the only 2 that I even heard.
Yeah. Those 2 are usually the only 2 I ever hear.
I know, well, and he's not here, so who's going to step up?
Number 3.
Better.
Does D-O-E-S. Goes is the same except for with the G. And then Ben. Does not look like Ben, it looks like bean, but it is Ben.
Goes to bed and on a paper.
Yeah, they got M&Ms yesterday for the ones who are paying attention and actually participating.
Oh, well, then maybe I shouldn't be reminding them. We'll just let
That's
them
probably good for them.
get their nice treats for doing their job without being reminded.
Okay, boys and girls, echo these words and listen to the sound in the final position. Maple, sample, dimple. What sound do you hear in the final position? What do you think is that? Look, what do you think that? Yes, it's going to be like BLE, but instead it is PLE. So what would these be? No, not diagram, PLE. No. What did we learn yesterday? Final stable syllable. Okay? PLE makes the pull sound. It is a final stable syllable. We will mark them as such. Whenever we code, the first thing we ask ourselves, does it have a final stable syllable?
Yes.
They do. Bracket, cross out the E, cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. Cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. Now repeat these words. Riddle, handle, fiddle. What sound do you hear in the final position? What do you think? What letters make that? Yes. What do you think these are?
Final stable syllable, D-L-E.
Yes. Final stable syllable DLE. So how would we code?
Bracket,
And what's first thing?
cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. Cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. Cross out the E, bracket, accent mark.
Nicholas joined
Hey.
the class.
All right. Let's see. Okay, PLE and DLE are final stable syllables. We code them, cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. How do we code the letter A, which is open and accented on this top one? How would we code this A? Okay, it's got a bracket. There's an accent mark. So that means it's open.
Put a mark on it.
Yes, because it says it's
Name.
okay. All right. Because we code vowels within their syllables, and the syllable here is may, then you're going to code the A with a macron. Okay. I want you to look at another situation where you will see a final stable syllable used. Okay, here it is. Sometimes you will see a digraph or a combination in the syllable before the final stable syllable. All you do is bracket off the final stable syllable and code the digraph or the combination. Is OO a digraph or is OO combination?
Diagram.
So we will underline it, right? Okay. All right. Go to the next. Okay. And then what do we also do for final stable syllables?
Cross out the E, accent mark.
Okay. All right. Look at these words.
So look at these words. Emma, you're going to make a big mess. You're playing and you're not doing your job.
Look at these words and see if you can find the final stable syllable in each word. Okay, what's the final stable syllable in this one, Hudson? GLE. Cross out the E, bracket, accent mark. What about this one, Haley?
Emma, focus on the board. Stop playing with your math. Sorry.
Not TE.
LTE.
How do we do final stable syllables? What do they look like, Vivian?
TLE.
TLE. You don't put both T's in there. Just the last three letters. TLE. What's this one, Ellie? FLE. Hey, and think about this. What do they all say?
Jungle.
What is the what picks it up? Goal. Toll. Okay, no, listen. I just want the final stable syllable sound. Full. Soul. Coal. Coal again, yes. Soul, yes.
You forgot to cross out the E.
Okay.
I thought you forgot to cross out.
All right, boys and girls. We will finish coding these words. Okay? And then I will show you the letter cards to go with each of these different final stable syllables. You will have a lot of final stable syllables.